Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to send money using the Botim app on your iPhone. Let's get started. First open the Botim app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, look at the bottom menu, tap on payments or send money. If this is your first time, Botim will ask you to set up your wallet. Next, add your payment method. You can link a bank account, debit card or an option available in your country. Follow the on-screen steps and complete the verification. After your wallet is ready, tap on send money. Now choose the person you want to send money to. You can select a contact from the Botim or enter their phone number manually. Then enter the amount you want to send. Check the amount carefully before continuing. Now you can add a note like rain, food or help, but this steps is optional. After that, tap on send or confirm. You may be asked to enter your PIN or use Face ID for security, and that's it. Your money is sent successfully and you will see a confirmation message on the screen. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.